Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your Mac folder icons look awesome like these. Normally the icons are super boring and you can put a custom image manually through the folder info, but it won't be as awesome as the ones on my screen. I used Folder Colorizer for Mac by Softorino. Let's go over the steps. First, open the app Folder Colorizer for Mac. Then simply drag and drop the folder you want to customize into the app and start customizing. Instantly, you'll notice the app recognizes the words in your folder's name and shows you relevant pictures, emojis, and icons. The images you see are from stock image sources such as Pixabay, Pixels, and Unsplash.com. This is part of the newest update, so remember to check the updates on your app. Now that we have the folder inside the app, let's give it a new face. First, I'll set the new color. This will apply on the folder's body, then an emoji and an icon, which are placed in front of the folder, and an image to tie it all together. Voila! You're ready to colorize folder. Customizing your folders is that easy, so let's check out where you get this app. Head over to Softorino.com. Under Products, you'll find Folder Colorizer for Mac. On the product page, there's a big blue free download button. Press that to get the trial for this app. Softorino has a bunch of other really awesome apps like PicFinder, which I use to set the background on my Mac, as you can see. What's awesome about Softorino is buying one product gives you access to all their apps. So when you buy Folder Colorizer for Mac, you'll also receive PicFinder, Walter Pro, Sick Pro, and many more. Check out the universal license for more details. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.